Alright, welcome back guys. We're here on Thursday and looking like we're recovering a little bit. The crypto market's a little mixed across the whole market, but we are holding above this support quite nicely. And we can see the same thing happening over here on Ethereum as yesterday's trade, but I did play this trade here. Didn't actually get to it in time, but I wish I did because I think it's holding nicely and it's forming some higher lows, higher highs. You kind of have a trend going here, so you do like to see that. Though if it takes a long time just kind of bouncing on the zone, then the longer it takes, the less I feel good about it, because that tells me it doesn't ultimately have enough pressure to actually keep moving upward. But we'll see. It's still pretty early, so we'll see how that support zone holds. But now we're going to jump down right into forex. So this Euro AD trade I took yesterday turned out to be a winner, which was nice. It bounced perfectly on the support zone and had the momentum to actually come up and break this resistance here. I did put in a trade there. It hasn't actually come back to retest it all the way, but now that it's kind of topped out and made a lower high, I think I might take this order off the books. And I don't know, I mean, it's a pretty well respected zone unless you go back here, and then it's not really. But yeah, I'm kind of mixed on this one, which means I might just take the trade out altogether if I'm not feeling 100% about it. But anyway, I just jumped into USD CHF here. It was bouncing against the zone pretty aggressively. Hasn't been able to punch through yet, so jumped in on a trade. It may be a little premature because it's the first break and retest, and it's struggling to pick a direction. So but I did like that. It was a solid break and retest here. But yeah, we'll see. We have ADJPY here. You can see an uptrend forming here against these two zones, and we're attacking this zone once again. So I was thinking about jumping into this one in hopes that it'll continue its uptrend. So I'm gonna keep watching that. It looks like maybe getting ready to go up from there. So here's another one I was watching, thinking about jumping into, because we have a new test of the support zone here. We do see it kind of poked out, had its lowest low. However, it does seem to be recovering a little bit, and I was thinking about getting in. I don't know if I should wait for a little more confirmation as far as like getting back out of this zone. But yeah, we'll wait and see on that one as well. Here's a trade in progress I had. I have a couple bounces from the zone. Look pretty good. I mean, this is not the best zone though, now that I look back at it. A lot of crosses. I didn't actually get this trade in on the books, but I was watching it for just for practice. So now we have CAD-JPY. Here's another one similar to not this one. Where was it? Yeah, I guess similar to this USD CHF one. This is where, continuing this downtrend, and it broke through this support zone here. hasn't really had a good confirmation of rejection, but if it does, I think this might be going to get into. I don't know if that's a convincing enough break, if I'm being honest. I mean, on the 4 hour it looks pretty good. So I think that might be a good one if we start to see a good sign of rejection there. Finally have USD JPY. This one pretty much exactly like CAD JPY. Broke through, came back to retest. Actually went pretty deep into the zone. You could even say, you know, there's a smaller zone here that it came and retested. Yeah, got rejected. It seems like it's holding some sort of zone back here. I don't know exactly where that would be. Something like that. It's struggling to break below. So I don't know if this is the best take profit. But anyway, it's another one I'm not in. I'm not actually in on the trade, so I probably won't manage it as much as I would a live trade. So anyway, that's all the watches for today. There's actually a lot of opportunities today for trades, it seems like, so definitely going to be watching these closely. I'm going to put these in progress ones down here so I can keep these. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm actually going to take this one off, but anyway, that is all for today.